The rules for getting paid on Facebook completely changed with the new Unified Content Monetization program. Instead of juggling different bonuses for Reels, long-form videos and text posts, Meta has rolled everything into one single payout dashboard. They are paying out more money than ever, but their automated AI systems are now scanning your account 10 times harder for violations. So if you want to stay protected and keep your income safe, make sure you share this video with a creative friend who needs to see this. Now, the single reason creators are losing their monetization overnight is a flag called the limited originality of content. If you're downloading viral clips from TikToks, swapping the music, or just adding a tiny reaction border, Facebook's updated AI will catch you. To get paid, your videos must be completely original or meaningfully transformed with your unique, high-value creative input. Don't let your page fall into this trap. Hit that share button right now to save another creator's dashboard. Did you know that Facebook has an official list of banned video formats that will get you stripped of ads instantly? Advertisers refuse to pay for low-effort content, which means static images with audio, looping GIFs, and slideshows are completely blocked from earnings. Even simple text montages and reaction polls that ask people to vote using emojis will trigger an immediate monetization penalty. So check your recent uploads right now and make sure to share this post to help your audience keep their pages squeaky clean. If you're still starting your captions or videos with phrases like "comment yes if you agree" or "share this with 3 friends," you're walking into a trap. Facebook classifies this as engagement bait, and the algorithm is trained to demote pages that force artificial interactions. They want authentic conversation, not manufactured metrics designed to game the system for higher payouts. Keep your growth completely natural. If you found this tip helpful, remember to share this reel with your online community today. There's a massive difference between Facebook's community standards and their strict advertiser suitability guidelines. A video can be completely fine to stay on the platform for views, but still have the green monetization icon stripped away entirely. If your content touches on high sensitive social issues, medical claims, or intense language, brands will pull their ads from your page. So keep your content advertiser friendly to secure your check. Share this video to spread the word to other page managers. AI is taking over, but Facebook has implemented incredibly strict rules regarding synthetic media and deepfakes. If you are uploading videos, photos, or voice cloned by AI, you are legally required to use the Meta's official AI info label. Failing to disclose AI-generated content will result in a permanent monetization ban for deceptive practices. Be completely transparent with your audience and the platform. Now, don't forget to remind your creative friends to keep them up to date. Your page content might be flawless, but a hidden administrative setting could be quietly destroying your monetization eligibility. Facebook tracks the exact geographic location and account health of every single admin and editor attached to your page. If you log in using a shady VPN or an editor who lives in an ineligible country, your payouts will be automatically paused. Keep your back end completely secure and clean. Make sure to tell this urgent update to your fellow page admins right away. If you notice your views are skyrocketing but your payouts are dropping, you need to understand the difference between qualified and non-qualified views. Facebook's new dashboard metrics explicitly filter out any views that last under 5 seconds, loop repeats, or come from unnatural clicks. The system only rewards deep engagement and genuine watch time, meaning clickbait tactics will no longer pay the bills. Focus entirely on high quality retention to maximize your revenue. Smash that share button to help other creators fix their metrics. Sharing your own video links into dozens of different Facebook groups from your own personal profile is a fast track to getting banned. Meta flags this behaviour as inauthentic coordination, treating your account exactly like a robotic click farm. When you overshare your own content to force extra views, the algorithm suppresses your organic reach down to 0. So let the algorithm find your audience naturally through real engagement. Help save a page today by letting one of your content creator friends know about this. If you wake up to a dreaded red violation notice on your dashboard, don't panic, because there is an exact step-by-step escape plan. Head into the Meta Business Suite, click on the Monetization tab and check your official page status to identify the exact trigger. Clean up your page by deleting any questionable videos before you ever click that request a review button for a clean appeal. You can beat the system if you follow the rules. So keep this entire survival guide very, very handy. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. My name's lathonmb and some of my other videos should be popping up around now. So don't forget to give them a watch. And you know what I always say? I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra!